What is it that we're doing here?
So what we're doing is we're heating up the gear. And what will happen is the gear will expand. And then it should be able to go on. We won't have to press it so hard.
Are you aiming for a particular temperature?
215.
170.
He's going to take a bit.
That's going to be a hot potato.
Yeah. And sport gloves.
And will that just drop right on?
Should.
Should.
Alright. Just like that.
Just like that.
Cool. And this is pressed on, or getting it pressed to be pressed on.
Yeah, so we don't have a press ourselves. So
Right.
I mean, getting this down or getting a socket or a long tube is going to be a pain. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off.
And you want to achieve at 240?
Between 220 and 240, and this last one was at 225, and it just slid right on, so we're going to attempt to do that with this guy.
It doesn't take much. I mean, that one took, what, a minute?
Yeah. Shoot the flame. Good, now we can put more in.
Drops right in.
Yep.
That's like a life hack.
Yeah.
Press, we don't need no stinking press.
Now you realize there's probably going to be some haters.
That's okay.
It's all right.
But I didn't damage it, I didn't hit it, I didn't mar it, I didn't...